Hello and welcome to our video on understanding substance abuse. Substance abuse is not just an individual problem, but a societal one affecting millions globally. It's a complex issue that involves a variety of substances, each with its own characteristics and effects. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are numerous treatments available, each tailored to the specific needs of the individual. Today, we'll delve into the most common types of substances abused and the treatments that can help individuals overcome addiction. Substance abuse is a serious issue that affects millions of people worldwide, and it's crucial to be informed about the different types of substances and the help available. Let's start by discussing the most commonly abused substances. First off, alcohol. It's one of the most widely abused substances around the globe. As a depressant, alcohol slows down brain function, and frequent misuse can lead to physical dependence and addiction, not to mention a host of other health problems. Next, prescription drugs. This category covers a wide range of medications, from opioids like painkillers to benzodiazepines, often used for treating anxiety, to stimulants typically prescribed for conditions like ADHD. The danger lies in using these medications in a way not intended by the prescribing doctor, which can easily lead to addiction and severe health consequences. Now, let's delve into illicit drugs. These are substances whose manufacture, sale, or use is prohibited by law. Marijuana, for instance, is a psychoactive drug that can lead to impaired memory and learning, and when smoked, respiratory problems. Cocaine, on the other hand, is a highly addictive stimulant. Its misuse can result in heart problems, seizures, and in some extreme cases, even death. Heroin, a type of opioid, is another illicit drug that poses severe health risks. It can cause intense physical dependence and tragically can lead to overdose and death. Lastly, we have methamphetamine, a potent stimulant that wreaks havoc on both physical and mental health. Long-term use can lead to serious conditions, including psychosis and brain damage. These are just a few examples of substances that can lead to severe health problems and addiction. It's important to remember that any substance, when misused, can have harmful, even fatal consequences. It's equally crucial to note that help is available for those struggling with substance abuse. In our next segment, we'll explore the different treatments available to help individuals overcome addiction. Now that we've covered the types of substances commonly abused, let's talk about the treatments available. First off, we have behavioral therapies. These forms of treatment, including cognitive behavioral therapy and motivational interviewing, play a vital role in recovery. They help individuals recognize and alter negative thought patterns and behaviors that lead to substance abuse. It's like rewiring the brain to respond differently to the triggers that lead to substance use. These therapies also equip individuals with coping skills and strategies to prevent relapse, forming an integral part of the recovery journey. Next, we have medications. Don't be surprised. Yes, there are medications that can help manage substance abuse. These medications aren't there to substitute one addiction for another, but rather to manage withdrawal symptoms, reduce cravings, and treat co-occurring mental health disorders. Methadone and buprenorphine, for instance, are used to treat opioid addiction, helping to curb withdrawal symptoms and cravings. On the other hand, naltrexone is used for both alcohol and opioid dependence. These medications, when used under medical supervision, can make the path to recovery smoother and more manageable. And last but not least, we have support groups. These groups, like Alcoholics Anonymous and Narcotics Anonymous, offer a safe haven for those in recovery. They provide an environment where individuals can share their experiences, struggles, and victories with others who understand what they're going through. This peer support, encouragement, and sense of community can be a powerful force in maintaining long-term recovery. It's important to remember that the road to recovery from substance abuse isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. What works for one person may not work for another. It often involves a combination of treatments tailored to the individual's needs. Getting help for substance abuse is a brave step, and it's crucial to know that there are effective treatments available. Whether it's through behavioral therapies, medications, or support groups, there are resources and people ready to help. These treatments offer hope and support for those struggling with addiction, showing that recovery is possible. Substance abuse is a complex issue that requires a comprehensive approach to treatment. From alcohol to prescription drugs and illicit substances, abuse takes many forms, each with its own devastating effects. Yet, hope lies in the array of treatments available, including behavioral therapies, medications, and supportive communities. Knowledge is power. By understanding substance abuse and available treatments, we can better support those in the throes of addiction. If you or someone you know is battling substance abuse, remember that help is available and recovery is possible. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content and to find out when new videos drop.